Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of ordering the DSP F28379D microcontroller from Texas Instruments. Ordering the DSP from Texas Instrument. In the website you can press the search button for a Launch XL F28379D. You can get the description and features of the DSP. We can also see the feature of it. In the meantime, there is no available items on Texas Instrument website, but when it available, you can press order. Now add you information and will cost you $37. We can order it using other websites like, for example, DigiKey. In DigiKey, you can find the same product, but little expensive than Texas Instrument website. You must click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Since you're new here, you'll need to create an account. Click on the Register option and fill in your personal details such as name, email address. Once you've completed the form, click on Create Account, and you're all set. Now you can add the product in the cart. We can see that we have already 6 on stock, so we can order it immediately. After adding the product to the cart, we go to checkout. A shipping fees may apply upon your region you live. Now that you have your account set up, it's time to add your personal information. Here, you can fill in details like your shipping address and contact information. Last step is the payment method. You can use many payment methods: Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, Google Pay, American Express. Fill the Appreciate data and check out. The delivery will take between 1 week to 10 days. If you prefer ordering from Mouser, the process is quite similar. Head over to the Mouser website and create an account if you haven't already. Search for the DSP F28379D. Add it to your cart, review your order, select your payment method, and complete the checkout process.